get a pot of water and bring it to a boil with some salt, roughly about 2 quarts to 1 tablespoon of salt, kosher salt. Add your rotini pasta and cook it for 10 to 12 minutes until completely cooked. Just about a minute before you're going to take it off the stove, if you're going to use broccoli, just briefly, to give it a quick little blanch. Okay, as you can see, just for about a minute, just to let it get that nice, beautiful, vibrant green. Then you're going to drain it. And then you're going to place it in some ice water to shock or to cook, stop the cooking process. Okay. Make sure your pasta is completely cooked, because this is not something that's going to be reheated again. It's going to be a cold salad. Okay, and then the other ingredients you have some yellow or red bell pepper, you have onion, you have some basil, sun-dried tomatoes, you also have some black olives that you're going to add to it, some Parmesan cheese, you also have some garlic, and olive oil. Okay. You'll also add some spinach or broccoli to that. For the sun-dried tomatoes, you're going to chop them up fine, just like this. And that's roughly about a tablespoon. The onion, you're going to cut flat. Okay, you can cut it in half this way and do a nice slice, nice and thin. Okay, same thing here. And you've got your basil. Chop it up, you can roll it up. You can cut it in julienne, or you can cut it in, you can do it chiffonade, or you can also just chop it. Your bell pepper, you can dice that, take out the ribs, it looks much nicer. So make sure you take that little rib out. And you can either julienne it or dice it on this. Okay, we'll do it and do a dice on this one. It's okay if you mix these all together, they're going to be combined anyway. Once it cools off, go ahead and strain it. You got your broccoli already done. Make sure you get all the excess water out. Place it into your bowl. Then you're just going to add all the ingredients, your Parmesan, your black olives, about an ounce of spinach. Again, you'll be using the spinach. This is frozen spinach or broccoli. Mix it up really good. Add your vegetables and your basil into that as well. Mix it up thoroughly. Add a tablespoon of red wine vinegar and your olive oil. And then finally salt and pepper to taste. Mix it up really good, nice and colorful, and you have a nice beautiful pasta salad. You can also add feta cheese if you wanted to. That really gives it some good flavor as well. There you go.